I've gotten my nails blinged at a nail salon and they were expensive. So I'm the type of person that I like to DIY and bling my own nails for a lot cheaper. Welcome back to my channel. So for those that are new, my name is Gina, also known as the Italian Diva. If you want to become a dreamer and join the Diva Squad, make sure to click that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into this video. What I'm going to be doing today is blinging my nails. I know when you go to the nail salon, normally like these nails cost around $40. And then if you want to get a design, they charge $5. And if you want bling, it's like, it gets expensive. I've gotten my nails blinged at a nail salon and they were expensive. So I'm the type of person that I like to DIY and bling my own nails for a lot cheaper. Now, these normally are $10 a piece at your local Michael's, but they were having a deal that it was buy one, get one 50% off. So realistically, normally this would be $20, but you get them for $15. And if you have a Michael's coupon, you get a little bit more of a discount. So that's what I love. I go and get these at my local craft store. I believe you can get these at Joann's, but I always go to Michael's to get my Swarovski crystals. And this time, because it was Valentine's Day, I had pink nails, so I decided to do pink jewels, and then these ones are kind of like a clear but with a pinkish hue to them, so I thought that this would look really good on my pink nails. So the things that you are going to need are Swarovski crystals. Make sure that they are the flat backs, because if they have the little point on the end of them, they will not sit flat on your nails. So you want to make sure that you get the flat backs. Before I forget, because you know I lose track all the time, these Swarovskis, this one has 80 pieces and this one has 72. It's not like you're spending $15 a piece or $20 a piece just for one set of nails. Let's say if I get pink next time, like a different color, I will still have jewels left over that I can, you know, bejewel my nails. But I just want you guys to know that there are that many pieces in there. But if you want to bling all your nails, you might have to go back next time to buy more jewels, because if you're like me, we like bling, right? So I'm going to be using this nail glue. I got this a while ago, and I find the brush-on glue a lot easier. So this is the Kiss nail glue, but it has a brush. So it's kind of like nail polish. It has a nice brush to it, so you brush it onto your nail, and it's a lot easier than the squeezy tubes like that they use at the nail salon. And I'm also using this is like a wax little pickup stick. I am using this out of my Sandra Celli bling kit. When I got my wedding dress like jeweled and like tailored by Sandra Celli, I did pick up her bling kit while I was at her like studio shop. So I am using the wax pencil that came out of that. And she also has some clear Swarovskis right here. But I think I'm just going to use what I have, but you never know. I might want to throw in just a plain clear with the pinkish one. So I will leave these out as well. So that is all the things you will need. A wax pencil. You will definitely need your jewels. And you will need a brush-on nail adhesive. So and you'll need nails. So let's get into this video. Alright, so now you guys can see my hands. They're kind of dry, so don't mind that. And if my rings flip around throughout this video, because I lost weight and because I'm not pregnant anymore, my rings are super, super loose. I need to get them resized. But okay, so I'm more of like a freestyle type of person. When I do henna, I can never follow like a photo, or like when I do my nails, I can never follow a photo. So I like to just freestyle. So that is what I'm gonna do. And I feel like I wanna try to bling as many nails as I can. It doesn't have to be a lot of bling, but I wanna have bling. So I'm gonna start off with my ring finger, because let's just say that looks bomb as it is. Maybe we'll just do the 2 ring fingers. That's how I am, so I like to just freestyle. I think I want to take one of these big jewels, like right here. So you guys don't need a wax pencil. I just really like to use a wax pencil now because I've used one. But before, when I blinged my phone case that had over 2,500 Swarovski crystals, I just would dip my Q-tip in water to like get it to be a little damp, and it would pick up the crystals just as well. Oh, that looks so cute already, you guys. OMG, girl, look at me. I love bling, but I ain't spending a lot of money at a nail salon for my bling. They are done. They look absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink jewels with the pink nails. Totally just goes together. Wish I would have done this for Valentine's Day, but you know, the day after is perfectly fine as well. Especially when pink is your favorite color. You can never go wrong with pink. But yeah, I love them so much. I will be doing another video of blinging my nails when I go and get them done. But if you have a specific color that maybe you'd like to see my nails next time with jewels, leave it in the comments below. I'm thinking maybe like a sky blue color with blue jewels, but if you have something better than my blue, you let me know down below. But yeah, I just love them so much. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by liking this and, you know, talking to me in the comments and subscribing to join the Diva Squad and to be a dreamer. Because you know we all love to dream and dream big. So be a dreamer and join my Diva Squad. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!